Talkopolis, the social media TV network for your city.
Hi guys, Kane Harrison here. Welcome to Nashville Health and Wellness Program. I'm joined by Michael Ramsey, the Director of PAI Medical Group and Regrowhair.com. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for coming back.
It's great to be back.
Now we're going to do a little series of these videos, of course, but we're going to start with the laser therapy. Could you talk about that?
Yes, laser therapy is a relatively new thing that we use to treat hair loss in early onset hair loss. In other words, not a bald man, but somebody who's just beginning to thin, that's beginning to notice some scalp showing, men and women. And so low-level light laser therapy, not the lasers that you shoot missiles out of the sky with, by the way, but low-level light lasers used in medical applications, originally for wound care. And they found that in the wound care part of the treatment, a lot of the little small hairs that were damaged, maybe because of a burn or some abrasion that they thought were dead, actually begun to come back.
Wow.
And so that spawned a series of tests by the FDA and the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeons to see if it was a legitimate way to help treat hair loss. And it's one of our most effective ways to treat early onset hair loss for both men and women.
Now, I know if I was someone at home, I would think that's exactly what I would want. Sounds relatively non-invasive. Are there particular candidates that might fit into that?
Yeah, so one of the great things about the low-level light laser is your point. It's not invasive. There's no side effects associated with it, maybe like some drugs that are used for hair loss. So it's a very non-invasive way to treat early onset hair loss. As I mentioned, an early onset is basically anyone that's just beginning to notice their hair thinning or maybe more hair on the sink or tub. They're seeing a little bit of scalp kind of peeking through the hair. So laser therapy is excellent for that. It's also helpful for transplant patients. So with the transplant, we're planting little hair seeds in the area where the patient's thinning, and low-level light laser helps the area heal more quickly, and it's also been shown to help the hairs that are transplanted grow in much more quickly, because transplanted hairs don't typically grow immediately. They take 3 to 4 months, sometimes as long as 12 months to start to grow, and this changes all of that.
Now, I know there's probably a lot of people at home with a lot of questions, and of course we'd love for them to come in and see you and your wonderful staff at your offices out there in Brentwood. Where can people find you online?
So it's easy. We're at wegrowhair.com. We've been in Nashville.
Super simple.
Yeah, pretty simple. We've been in Nashville for 20 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, so we're a reputable medical practice, and we can help people with all types of hair loss. So from the person who's been bald for 20 years, we have different options for them, to men and women just beginning to suffer with hair loss, which was, again, where the laser can help.
Absolutely, and we're going to go through in this series of videos a number of different procedures that you can go and see Michael Ramsey and his team at PAI Medical. So we will see you next time on Nashville Health and Wellness.